मंगदी दुनिया दौलत कुर्सी, मंगदी सोना चांदी। ओ मैं मंगदा बस एक दुआ, मैं मंगदा बस एक दुआ। मेरा देश बचा मेरे मौला।
Pakistan is one of the 4 countries that are affected by the deadly virus of polio. Every year, campaigns after campaigns are carried out by the government to help fight against polio. Even then, just last year, more than 100 cases were reported in the country as national polio campaigns that were not being monitored accurately. Security situation in Pakistan's tribal areas is another cause of concern, which makes it difficult for the polio teams to access these troubled areas. For the first time in the history of television media of Pakistan, a TV channel took upon itself to give its citizens hope for a better tomorrow. Sama wants to help the people of this country in all ways possible. While other channels talk about a much needed change, Sama makes a point to be the change. One of the many steps that we have taken to bring hope and change within the country is our initiative to go to polio-affected areas and disseminate awareness about this deadly disease affecting them. Sama TV played and will continue playing the crucial role in eliminating the crippling disease. By initiating the Sama Polio Control Cell, we paved way for other channels to follow. Sama launched its fight against polio by establishing a public awareness campaign, which played the role of an independent check on the health authorities who were supposed to carry out the anti-polio campaign at the district level. This was useful in bringing into forefront loopholes that were in the national polio campaigns. Public response to this initiative by Sama turned out in its favor, after which Sama encouraged other mainstream and regional channels to hold hands against one common foe, polio. A national polio control cell was then established on PTV, the state-run TV channel, where more than 10 electronic channels participated. The National Polio Control Cell that was formed by Sama's initiative facilitates health officials to reach out to the children under 5 years of age everywhere in the country. Sama's contribution towards society in general and polio-free Pakistan doesn't stop here. We will continue working under the National Polio Cell during the next polio campaign. Sama TV wants to be a socially responsible channel both within and outside Pakistan, change Pakistanis into a more socially responsible nation and bring an end to lifelong struggle with lack of education, better livelihood and gender disparity. In our effort to educate the nation, we have brought to light the issue of global warming, which poses a far greater threat to Pakistan. Sama once again aims to create awareness of the importance of a greener environment. Coming to the formal side of education, Sama encourages and believes in supporting scholarships to students who excel in their fields of knowledge. Taking its social responsibility on a global level, Sama aims to change the way Pakistan is perceived.